Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome. My name is Nora. Today I am going to discuss with you about natural gas production and delivery. Natural gas can be found in deposits and produced from anaerobic decomposition of organic material. It is mostly composed of methane, the smallest out of all hydrocarbon molecules. There are many gas fields and they are present almost all over globe. Qatar takes second place of largest supplier that produced natural gas. This diagram shows the process of production and delivery. Natural gas delivery infrastructure can be grouped into three categories: production, transmission, and distribution. Natural gas transport on the pipeline system in the United States must meet specific quality measures so that the pipeline network can provide uniform quality natural gas. Wellhead natural gas may contain contaminants and hydrocarbon gas liquids that must be removed before the natural gas can be safely delivered to the high-pressure, long-distance pipeline that transport natural gas to the consumers. Natural gas typically moves from natural gas and oil wells through a gathering system of pipelines to natural gas processing plants for treatment. Natural gas processing can be complex and usually involves several processes to remove oil, water, hydrocarbon gas liquids, and other impurities. The composition of wellhead natural gas determines the number of stages and the process required to process pipeline quality dry natural gas. These stages and processes may be integrated one unit or operation, be performed into different order at alternative locations, or not to be required at all. Let's take you through basic stages of natural gas processing. As shows here, gas oil separators, where pressure relief in a single stage separator cause the natural separation of the liquid from gases in the natural gas. In some cases, a multi-stage separation process is required to separate in different fluid streams: condensate separator, dehydration, contaminant removal, nitrogen extraction, methane separation, and fractionation. Condensates are most often removed from natural gas stream at the wellhead with separators, much like gas oil water separator. The natural gas flow to the separator comes directly from the wellhead. Extracted condensate is sent to the storage tanks. Dehydration process removes water that may cause the formation of undesirable hydrates and water condensation in pipelines. In contaminant removal, non-hydrocarbon gases must be also removed from natural gas stream. In nitrogen extraction, once the hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide are reduced to acceptable levels, the natural gas stream is routed to a nitrogen rejection unit, where it is further dehydrated using molecular sieve beds. The process of demethanizing the natural gas stream can occur the separate operation in a natural gas processing plant or as a part of nitrogen rejection unit operation. Fractionation separates the hydrocarbon gas liquids into component liquids using the varying boiling point of the individual hydrocarbon gas liquids. Natural gas transmission pipelines are wide diameter pipelines and are often the long-distance portion of natural gas pipeline system that connect gathering system in the producing areas, natural gas processing plants, other reception points, and the main consumers service areas. There are three types of transmission pipelines. Interstate natural gas pipelines operate and transport natural gas across state borders. Interstate natural gas pipelines operate and transport natural gas within a state border. Henshaw natural gas pipelines receive natural gas from interstate pipelines and delivered it to consumers for consumption with a state border. When natural gas arrives at the locations where it will be used, it flows into smaller diameter pipelines called mains and then into smaller service lines that go directly to the homes and buildings. We end here. I hope you are now familiar with natural gas process and delivery. Thank you for the listening.